Good morning, Trixie. Good morning, Boboy. Good morning. Trixie. Trixie. Bella. Bella girl. Bella. Munchie. Munchie, munchie. Good morning, guys. Ayan, so I'm just trying this out, no, mag-vlog ng aking morning. So sorry for my dogs if naririnig nyo sila. I'm also trying the accessories, this Holy Land microphone. My usual routine is that ginigising talaga ako ng mga dogs ko kasi gusto na nilang kumain. So ngayon gagawa tayo ng tuna spaghetti as our breakfast. So at least bago mag-work day, makapagluto na ako. So yun, come work from home with me, guys. Ayun, so bago tayo mag-work, kumain muna tayo ng breakfast. Alam nyo ba, kwento ko lang, matagal ko na tinatry mag-vlog. 10 years ago pa, nag-vlog na talaga ako. Nakakatuwa lang na iba yung buhay ko talaga before sa buhay ko ngayon. It's nice lang din to see how your life change or improve. Yun, ngayon nagkatry ako mag-vlog just for memory's sake. Ayan, so I just finished cooking and ngayon magsa-start na rin ako sa aking work. It's already 7:30 and kailangan ko munang magsimula na at marami tayong gagawin today. So yun, kaya tapos ko na sa counseling session and break muna after ng session. Siguro one thing that most people do not understand about our work as a counselor, na yung isang session, it's not just an usap. Hindi na siya usap. It's more, may planning doon, no? 30 minutes to 1 hour na planning. Syempre, binabasa yung records, ano yung mga pinag-usapan before, Tapos, ano yung mga, or kung bagong client, ano yung mga nakalagay sa forms nila. So, nire-review yun and pinaplano kung ano yung mangyayari during the session o ano yung magiging structure ng session. And sa session, syempre, hindi lang siya kinig-kinig. You also have to see or notice patterns, ano yung mga pwede maging helpful sa client. Also, educate them para mas maintindihan nila ano yung mga nangyayari. And then, after nun, gagawa rin kami ng report, no? So, ganun siya. It's really more or less 3 hours talaga per session yung tinatagal niya ng para sa isang client. And imagine how many clients, no? Meron sa isang company o sa isang kung sa school, no? Sa isang school.
The start of a day and the end of a day, wrapped in the sound of your breathing. This kind of happiness, the more ordinary the exchange, the more priceless it becomes. I'm home, welcome back. Even those voices are the sound of our joy.
Ayun. So, it's already 5:25 ngayon. At, hindi pa ako nag-out. Pero it's okay kasi ganun talaga sa work from home. Minsan makikextend ka ng time. Meron lang akong kailangan gawin kasi I foresee na marami akong meetings tomorrow. Kaya, gagawin ko na ngayon yung task ko for Friday. Para sa Friday, prepared na lahat and review na lang. So, yun. Hi guys! So my workday is done and this vlog is almost done na rin. So nagpakulo lang ako ng kamote as my dinner and later I'll be taking a bath na. So mag-unwind na rin ako to go to sleep. Yun lang. So